People always ask me, how do I keep getting casino offers without losing a fortune? And honestly, it's not about luck, it's about strategy. And today, I'll show you exactly how I play. Hi, I'm Donna, and this is Donna's Trips, Ships, and Slots. And today, I'll show you exactly how I stretch my bankroll and how I keep the offers coming. My goal is coin in, not winnings. This is the biggest mindset shift, because coin in is what Royal Caribbean tracks, not winning. I'm not chasing jackpots, I'm chasing coin in. You know, for example, you put $20 in and you win a little and you play a little longer and you win a little and you play a little more. That's what counts. That's what really matters. When I first started, I limited myself to $60 out of pocket. Not hundreds, not crazy gambling. That $60 out of pocket allowed me to play at least 3 machines each day. Day 1, I hit nothing. I was probably only in the casino for about 30 minutes. That's okay. That happens. Day 2, I hit enough to keep playing for about 2 hours, and I actually left the casino ahead. That's where the strategy starts working. Day 3, I played several hours on my original $60. After that, I pulled out the winnings from the day before. That created a lot more coin in without having to pull money from my pocket. Day 4, I played about 3 hours on that same $60. And actually, I just got too tired to keep playing. I left the casino up $180. So on that 4-night cruise, I was only down about $60, but I racked up some major points, and that's the part that most people miss. It's not about winning big, it's about making your money last and creating as much play as possible. That's what gets the offers. It does not always end like that. I've been on cruises where I've spent my entire gambling bankroll. That happens too. And that's exactly why setting a budget really matters. You have to go in knowing you could leave every dollar in the casino. And if that would ruin your trip, then your budget is too high. It's important to understand that. But there are also times when you hit big. I've won jackpots too. My biggest win so far is just over $11,000. And that was on a $2.20 bet. That was a good day. But here's the important part. I never walk in expecting that. If you're chasing jackpots, you usually lose. If it happens, amazing. But the strategy is still play smart first. I want time in the seat, not giant bets, not giant swings. I'd rather play for 2 hours than burn through my money in 20 minutes. And that's how better offers happen. I keep my bets smaller, usually lower denominations, small, steady bets, because smaller bets equals longer play. Longer play equals better value, and that's the game. If a machine feels cold, I leave. I don't sit there saying it has to hit soon. Nope, that machine does not know me. I leave. Now, this is important. If I hit a small win, I don't immediately cash out. I use that to extend play. And that's how a $20 session turns into much more coin in. And that's a lot more important than people realize. I'm not playing for tonight. I'm playing for the next cruise. 7-night sailings, balcony rooms, free drinks. That's the real goal, not tonight's jackpot. And this one matters most. I set my number before I walk in. And when I hit it, I'm done. No revenge gambling, no chasing, no one more machine. Done. And that discipline is what matters most. So when people ask, how do you make your money last longer? This is it. Not giant wins, not luck, strategy. And that's what keeps the offers coming. Now, if this is something you're interested in, hit subscribe. Come and cruise with me. I'll save you a seat at the slots.